Hi everyone, welcome to Joyance today. We are a manufacturer of cleaning drones and agricultural drones with 10 years experience. Today I'm taking you on a virtual tour of our factory. This is our showroom. Here you can see our main agricultural drone models JT20, JT40, JT50 and JT100. We also provide the cleaning drone models JTC30 and JTC10 designed for a wide range of cleaning scenarios. Now we are in our production workshop. We have a professional production line and an experienced team to ensure stable quality. We can produce 300 units of drones each month, so big orders also no problem. This is our warehouse. We have sufficient stock of drones and spare parts, so normally we can arrange delivery within 3 to 5 days after receiving the deposit. Here is our shipping area. You can see the drones are being packed and prepared for delivery to all over the world. We always use strong aluminum cases to provide better protection and ensure the products arrive safely. Finally, this is our after-sales service office. We have 6 professional after-sales engineers and provide 24 online technical support to clients. This is our factory, Joyance Tech. We are looking for reliable partners worldwide. Welcome to contact us for more information.